With time, you will probably end up with a lot of posts in your different communities, and you may find yourself having to scroll through a lot of different threads in order to find that specific post you're looking for. However, in the 3D Experience communities, you can filter on different types of posts using any of the colorful filters at the top right corner of a community tab in the 3D Swim application. You can of course filter on regular posts, on media posts, redos, tasks, etc. in order to find that specific type of post you're looking for. So if you work smart with the different types of posts you can submit in a community, you can easily organize and categorize the content of the community to make it easy for both yourselves and your colleagues to actually find what you're looking for.